Another relevant error code, similar to the simultaneous fast flash, is going to be the alternating fast flash. The alternating fast flash is indicative of a coil sensor problem. The coil sensor is another piece of the defrost system. Very important that we have a seamless operation with this sensor to allow correct defrost. If the defrost doesn't work, the unit could freeze up and cause major problems. So to check the coil sensor, it's going to be the same process as you saw checking the ambient sensor, using an ohmmeter set to ohms, checking each lead and comparing your reading to the 10K resistive chart to verify that the coil is within range. If the coil is within range, we got to look for further problems, or if it's out of range, we replace the coil sensor.